How to open zip files on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unzip a file on a Windows 11 computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there's two ways to easily open zip files on your computer. The first is going to be to simply right-click the zip file and go to Extract All. Select that. It's going to open up a new window where we can tell it where we want to unzip those files. And most likely you can keep this default and just select extract, and it'll open up a new folder window with the files. And as you can see where the original zip file was at, it created a new folder, and this folder contains the files that were in that zip. So now we can do anything we want with them, open them, send them, something like that. Now another way to open a zip file is to simply double click it, and this will show you the files that are in that zip file. And from here you can either open them up to view them, or you can simply drag them to another folder or your desktop, and that will extract that file from the zip file and put it on your computer. So those are two ways to open zip files on Windows 11. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.